First of all, I would like to pay my higher respect to the main director of Skyline International School. First of all, I would like to pay my higher respect to the main director of Skyline International School. To Mr. Pasari, good afternoon teacher and hello everyone. My name is Thong Sarai Udam Narimpong. I am 6 years old. I study at Skyline International School level 3. Jongkadong Brand and my teacher name is Chilam Dani. Today I will present about my classroom. My classroom is big. There are many desks and chairs. There is a separate desk and chair for the teacher. The teacher write on the whiteboard. We read, write and learn. Here I sit with my friend. We raise our hands so answer. Our class has many picture and beautiful. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye.